Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Febri Pratama, NPM 244111040, kelas manajemen 24A. Introduction to Economic Fluctuation. Economic fluctuation describe the ups and downs inherent in a economic performance over time. This variation affect employment, inflation, investment, and overall living standard, making them a crucial subject for policymakers, business, and individual alike. Understanding this social help in activating change and making informed decisions. This presentation explores the cause, measurement, and effect of economic fluctuation. We will also examine key mechanisms like government intervention and global factors influencing this dynamic, providing and comprehensive foundation to navigate this complex but fascinating economic landscape. Defining economic fluctuation: a roller coaster ride. Economic fluctuation refers to the irregular expansion and contraction in economic activity around a long-term growth trend. This resembles a roller coaster ride with periods of rapid growth followed by downturn or recession. Understanding this volatility explains why economic rarely grows smoothly. This fluctuation affect industries differently, impact consumer confidence, and drive business investment decisions. They reflect the complex interplay of market forces, government policies, and external shocks. It is crucial for stakeholders to grasp this dynamic to manage risks and seize opportunities. Periodic cycles of growth and contraction, impact on jobs, disease, and income, influenced by demand, supply, and expectation. Measuring the economic GDP, inflation, and unemployment. Key indicators help quantify economic fluctuation. Gross domestic product (GDP) measures all goods and services produced and reflects overall economic health. Inflation tracks price level change, indicating purchasing power shift. Unemployment rates reflect labor market conditions, signaling economic strength of weakness. Together, these indicators provide a snapshot of the economic direction. Policymakers, investors, and business monitor this metric closely to assess the current phase of the cycle and forecast future trends. GDP measures total economic output. Inflation tracks price change over time. Unemployment shows percentage of unemployed workers. The business cycle: expansion, peak, contraction, trough. The business cycle describes forecasts and economic phases troughs. Expansion, peak, contraction, and trough. Expansion features rising output and employment, leading to the peak where growth slows. Contraction or recession follow as activity declines, raising the trough before recovery begins anew. This cycle repeats over years or decades, influenced by internal and external shock. Recognizing the cycle stack help business and governments plan strategies to mitigate risks of capitalizing on growth phases. 1. Expansion, increasing economic activity and confidence. 2. Peak, economic and maximum output grows slow. 3. Contraction, decline in production and rising unemployment. 4. Troughs, lowest point before recovery start. Demand side shock, what makes consumers spend. Demand side shock occurs when consumer or business spending suddenly change, affecting overall economic activity. Factors leading in consumer confidence, interest rates, or fiscal policies can trigger these shifts. For example, a tax could make boost disposable income, increasing demand and stimulating growth. Conversely, rising inflation can reduce purchasing power, lowering consumption and slowing the economy. Consumer confidence. Higher confidence leads to more spending. Interest rates, lower rates, and correctly growing and investment. Government spending, fiscal stimulus can boost aggregate demand. Supply side shock, disruption in production. Supply side shock arises from sudden change affecting production capacity, such as natural disaster, oil price spike, or supply chain disruption. This shock can increase costs and reduce output, leading to inflation and slower growth. For instance, an unexpected hurricane might destroy factories, limiting supply and pushing prices higher. Understanding supply shock helps in crafting responses to stabilize the economy and prevent prolonged downturn. Natural disaster, damage to infrastructure and resources. Commodity price change, rising oil prices increase production costs, supply chain issues, delay or shortages reduce availability. The role of government, fiscal and monetary policy. Government and central banks play critical roles in managing economic fluctuation. Fiscal policy involves adjustment government spending and taxation to stabilize the economy, while monetary policy control money supply and interest rates. Effective policies can smooth out down stimulus measures or prevent everything by cutting inflation, maintaining steady growth, and protecting effort levels. Fiscal policy, adjusting tax and spending. Monetary policy, managing interest rates and liquidity. Economic stabilization, encouraging growth, controlling inflation. Global economic interdependency, ripple effects in today interconnected world. Economic fluctuation in one country can ripple globally, trade, investment, and financial market. Link economic tightly, social crisis in one market can cause disturbances elsewhere. Understanding these linkages help anticipate and manage spillover effects from supply chain shock to currency fluctuation, making internal cooperation vital for economic stability. Trade linkages, cross-border exchange of goods and services, financial market, capital and investment flow globally, supply chains, complex web of production and delivery. Forecasting, fluctuation, leading economic indicator, predicting economic swing help business and policy makers prepare. Leading indicator, like stock market trends, consumer sentiment, and manufacturing order, often signal future shift before they occur. Monitoring these indicators allow for earlier responses to potential downturn or affection, improving economic resiliency and strategic planning. Stock market reflects investor expectation about the economic. Consumer sentiment measures optimism about personal finances. Manufacturing orders indicates demand for industrial product. Building permit forecast future construction activity. Conclusion: navigating the economic seas. Economic fluctuations are inevitable. Waves in economic seas. Understanding their cause, tech, and measurement to equip decision maker to anticipate change, reduce risks, and seize opportunities. With government policies and forecasting, societies can better navigate this shift, fostering resiliency and sustaining growth despite inevitable ups and downs. Economic fluctuation reflect complex market dynamics. Measurement and indicator for vital insight. Policy and global coordination are keys to stability, preparation, and agility and change resiliency.